Pain is the universe's way of rebuilding you. Pain doesn't destroy you. It rebuilds you, piece by piece. It burns down everything fake, until only the real parts of you remain. You see, most people run from pain, but the ones who grow, they walk straight through it. Because pain is the teacher comfort will never be. He used to believe pain was punishment. Every heartbreak, every rejection, felt like life's way of saying, you're not enough. He tried to escape it. New hobbies, new people, new distractions. But pain always found its way back. Until one night, he stopped running. He just sat there, in silence. And for the first time, he didn't try to numb it. He listened. Because pain speaks in whispers. And what it said that night was simple. This is not the end. This is the process. We live in a world terrified of discomfort. Every app, every screen, built to keep you comfortable, to keep you distracted, to make sure you never feel too much. But the truth? Pain is what wakes you up. It's what burns away your illusions of control. It's what strips you of ego, until all that's left is you. When life hurts, it's not breaking you. It's remolding you. It's teaching you endurance, humility, focus. Because the brain learns through stress. Neurons rewire through resistance. And your spirit, it evolves through every scar you earn. Comfort feeds weakness. Pain builds resilience. And when you embrace it, you stop asking, why me? And start saying, try me. That's the shift. The death of the victim and the birth of the warrior. Pain didn't disappear. You just learned how to carry it differently. Every morning hurt. Every step burned. But each day, the pain felt less like punishment and more like purpose. He began to realize something powerful. You can't control when pain enters your life, but you can control what it makes of you. Because growth isn't found in easy days. It's forged in the fire, in the loneliness, the failures, the nights no one sees. That's where your transformation hides, right in the center of your suffering. One day you'll look back and realize pain never broke you. It built you. It shaped the strength you now live with. So stop running from what hurts. Let forge you. Let refine you. Because the version of you that can handle pain can handle anything. Pain doesn't punish you. It prepares you. And when you learn to thank it, you've already won.